So the point is obviously you get to the top and you put your arms and legs out. But I think we'll do it now. There we go. Oh, nearly. Here we go. Woo! Oh. Got to give it to him, he's quick. And time. I love these rides. Hey! Hanging about. That was Overdrive. Definitely one of the best rides here, 100%. Fantastic fun.